Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can enable USB debugging option in your Android mobile phone. If you want to turn on USB debugging option, for that just go to your settings and first of all you have to enable developer option in your mobile phone. In order to enable developer option, go to about or my phone option and scroll down and here you will see an option called build number. You have to click on 7 times on this build number to enable the USB developer option. So first of all click 7 times on build number. When I click you can see no need, you are already a developer. I have already turned on developer option, but you have to click 7 times on build number to enable your developer option. Now, once your developer option has been enabled, now go back and in search just type for developer. When you search for developer, here you can see developer option. Click on this developer options. Now scroll down and here you can see option called USB debugging. Just simply enable this USB debugging and this is the way how you can turn on your USB debugging. If you do not find build number option, you can also search here build number and you will go to your build number and you have to click on 7 times on this build number to enable your developer option and then find the rest of the steps.